having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 54 and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, but we can slow it down. Today, I am going to do a face massage that's boosting collagen. This is something I do on a regular basis, and it's really important to boost collagen on a regular basis. And that's why I really want you to do this with me. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to hear from you. If you want extra anti-aging tips, there are videos available and how to watch those videos. The link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, right here, tapping for 20 seconds. Next, tapping right here for 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this and all over your face for 20 seconds. Next, for your forehead for 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this and all over your face for 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this, gently, for 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this with more pressure for 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this and all over your face for 20 seconds.